Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, we're just starting Palo Alto first certification program. This certification name is Palo Alto Network Certified Network Security Administrator. In shortly, PCSA, PCNSA. That means, and just short name will be P for Palo Alto Networks, P certified C network, and S for security, A for administrator. Shortly, PCNSA. Okay, this is the first certification of Palo Alto. So, firstly, I want to share the certification track of Palo Alto. Then we can understand what or which portion is the starting point of Palo Alto Firewall Network. Okay. So then I go to the official website of Palo Alto Network. Just Palo Alto certification. Okay, see here is the certification track. First certification is PCCET, Palo Alto Network Certified Cybersecurity Entry-Level Technician. And we just start this PCNSA, Palo Alto Network Certified Network Security Administrator. This is a very basic fundamental. So this fundamental also covered this section also. So that's why I will select the PCNSA, this certification course first. Okay, and then next certification is PCNSC, PCCSC, and this is the last one, PCDRA. So just in certification track, this we select this one, and if I complete this one, that will be covered also. Okay, that's why I select this course. Okay, so we need some outline of this course. So for this outline, I will already shared the certification guide in WhatsApp group. This will be your guidance or guideline. I also follow this books, and inside I will also show you some lab which will cover practical knowledge or practical experience. So this is the book which we cover in this course, and this is your outline. Okay, then next we need lab. For lab, we'll use EVNG Community Edition. Just download EVNG Community Edition from EVNG official website. That is very easy, I think. If NG, just I show within a minute. This is very simple. Just I covered the step. That's it. Yeah. Network is maybe slow. Community. In community, EVNG Community Edition section, just play the download links. You will get the instruction of Community Edition. You can download, firstly, you have to download VMware Workstation or VMware Workstation Player. Just first I download this software, VMware Workstation. And second, download the EVNG Community Edition iOS file. Okay, you can download from PC Cloud Mirror, Mega Mirror, or Sync Mirror. Anyone can, yeah, any one portion you can choose. So after downloading, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. If you have any question, unmute, ask your question, and again mute yourself. Okay. Okay. So firstly, download the EVNG Community Edition iOS file, and you can this EVNG file open through VMware Workstation or VMware Workstation Player. I use here VMware Workstation. Just see the setting. After downloading, complete the
ভাই
download.
স্ক্রিনটা একটু বড় করেন স্ক্রিনটা একটু বড় করেন
This is the maximum. Any other one? This is the maximum.
ওকে ওকে
Okay. So select based on your physical PC. I used memory 8 GB. I have 16 GB RAM in my PC. Processor 8. Virtualization must be enabled. This is the default disk space 60 GB, and network adapter should be VMnet 8 net. Okay. So this is your setting of VMware Workstation.
Yeah,
in
I have a
EVNG
question.
file.
Hello.
Yeah.
Actually, what is the difference between the for selecting custom net VMnet 8 or simple net?
Okay. VMnet, just see your network portion. So change adapter options. See here, when VMware Workstation installed in your PC, this two NIC is added. This two NIC will be added. Okay. So I just want to communicate from physical PC to EVNG VM. Okay. That's why I use VMnet 8. Okay.
Okay.
That's why I use VMnet 8. So look here, VMnet 8. Here IP address is 192.168.81.1. That means this subnet is 192.168.81.0/24.
Right.
Is the subnet mask. Okay.
Right.
So I use one IP in EVNG VM from this subnet, and I set here VMnet 8 to communicate EVNG VM and my physical PC. That is the reason.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
You can choose any other option, no issue. You can choose VMnet 1 host only, no problem. Because VMnet 1 also available here. Look, VMnet 1.
Right.
Okay. Okay. So after complete your setting, just click OK. And when you first open your file, just open EVNG downloaded file directly, or you can choose this option, new virtual machine, and follow the step typical, and select your EVNG VM directory. sorry, this will be ISMS. That will not work, right? This will be ISMS. So just directly open this file, AVNG. After download, just OBF file. And finally, complete the settings. And after setting, just power on the AVNG VM. See, their IP address is 81.147. 147, my PC, physical PC IP address is 1. This is in same subnet. Okay, that's why I choose VMnet 8. Okay, so after complete its boot of VM, just one 192.168.81.47. User ID is admin and password is Abe. Okay, and create a lab PCNSA 1. And this is your working environment. Okay, this is your working environment. Okay, so now we need ISMS of Palo Alto for this lab. Okay, so I use remote lab here. So that's why just stopping the local lab now. Okay, so now just create new lab PCNSA 1, then save. Lab is created. Then you need the ISO image and the process how to add Palo Alto iOS in EVNG lab. Okay, so it's a very clear cut way how to add Palo Alto in EVNG. How to add Palo. I have also shared a video how to add Palo Alto device in EVNG. Just show you the process again. I use here Palo Alto version 8.0.1. You have to download the kickout file of 8.0.1. So I have already download this ISO. This is my ISO file 8.0.1. I also already shared with you. This is the kickout file of Palo Alto firewall. After downloading, you have to upload this kickout file. For uploading kickout file, just you select here this folder name should be Palo Alto dash then version. Starting must be Palo Alto or later small letter. You can choose any other version, Palo Alto dash version, Palo Alto dash version, Palo Alto dash version. So I use 8.0.1. So Palo Alto 8.0.1 and maybe it is connected. Okay, connected. So you can create a folder name Palo Alto, then version. There is also have instruction. Just step one, create one folder. Folder name should be this Palo Alto dash 8.0.1. That folder will be under this directory, Camo, in Camo directory. Then go to the Palo Alto directory, then upload the image. If image name is different, just rename this file virtua.keeper2 and fix the permission. That is very simple. Okay, so I have already completed this step. Just upload this file, virtua.keeper2 file. After uploading file, you will go to CLI version. Just put here this command, fix permission. Log in your EVNG machine, EVNG VM. After uploading correct directory, then press this command to fix the permission. After completing this one, you can take Palo Alto firewall in your lab for testing. Close this one. So this is your step. Okay, and it takes more time. Okay, now finished. Okay, close this window. No need this one now. So I have already create one lab for Palo Alto. Just take note, go Palo Alto. Two section here, Palo Alto and Palo Alto Panorama. I will practice in Palo Alto IOS. These are lots of version. I use 8.0.1. Other setting will be default. CPU to RAM 4G, Ethernet 4, default 4, or you can increase the Ethernet. You can, and console is PNC. This is the default setting. I just changed nothing. Just okay. This is the Palo Alto firewall. For home lab, you need to configure. You need to complete the basic configuration so that you can access web graphical user interface. Okay. So for that region, I choose here Windows machine to access. This also default and connect Windows machine with firewall. Firewall interface should be for starting configuration, should be management. Okay. Don't select any other interface. First time should be management and your Windows interface Ethernet 0. Let's say so select here one IP address. That will be any IP address. You can select here. I choose here 1.0/24. This network is the management network. So 1.1 will be the management interface and any valid IP of this subnet will be in Windows machine. So I start the mesh, follow the firewall, and then Windows. Wait for some time. I just pause the record now. Okay, we're getting the Windows. We need to set IP address of management block. Login. Ethernet. IP should be IPv4 properties. Static IP 192.168.1.100. Actually, gateway no need, just for management purpose. Oh. So we need to set IP address in management interface of on Palo Alto. So pin 192.168.1.100 is the Windows PC IP, and 1.1 will be the Palo Alto management interface. Okay, so set the management interface IP. Palo Alto default user ID is admin and password also admin. Okay. Sometime you can get error from here. You set the user ID admin, password admin, but login failed. So wait some time and try again. Okay. Number of failed attempts since last successful login 0. If number of failed attempt 3 or more than 3, it may be you cannot access for some time. Wait for some time and then try again. Your device is still configured with the default admin account credentials. Please change your password prior to deployment. This is a general message. Okay. So after login, you have to set the management IP address so that you can access from Windows machine using the graphical user interface. Okay. So configure. This is your privilege or operation mode. You can consider in CLI syntax. This is like Juniper. Okay. Okay, then just configure, then set the management IP address. So if you just exit, then you are in operational mode. Show IP, show interface management. See here, there is no IP address in management interface. IP address unknown. Net mask unknown. Gateway no. So there is no IP address setting here. So I want to set management IP address of Palo Alto device for the CLI. So first configure, then enter. Now I am in configuration mode. In configuration mode, I have to set the management IP address. So first, if you configure something, first keyword is set like Juniper. First keyword is set like Juniper. So set device config, then you can place help question mark, question mark. If you press the question mark, you will get help, which syntax is available here. Okay. Thank you. So device config, system type. You can get IP address in Palo Alto management interface in the two different way. You can set here DCP client. If your Windows, if here a DCP server is available, this DCP server can send the IP address to Palo Alto management interface. In that scenario, you will choose DCP client. If you set the IP address manually, set the static option and nothing left. So enter set device config, system type, static. And this step already type here. Okay. Then device config, system, IP, tab. You press the tab, IP, then tab. You will get the available option. So I set here IP address. So IP address, you can take help. That means IP. You have to place here and valid IP address. So I have a plan to set here IP address is 192.168.1.1 and that will be /24 mask. So net mask will be 255.255.255.0/24 mask. Okay, IP address set here. Second line, IP address setting done. After IP address setting done, you have to commit the configuration. You have to change the configuration. Okay. For save your configuration, press here commit. Wait for a second. You will get message. Your configuration successfully saved. Okay, configuration committed successfully. Okay, after getting this message, you just exit the configuration mode. Now you are in operational mode. So check your management interface IP address, which you set. Now show interface management. Enter. See here the IP address you set now 1.1 netmask/24. So you have done. Okay. Then try to access Palo Alto from Windows machine. So go to the Windows machine, check IP is accessible. Okay, ask me.
হ্যাঁ, আমার একটা কোয়েশ্চেন ছিল।
Mm-hmm.
আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ, আপনি যে কনফিগারেশন গুলো অ্যাড করলেন, লাইক আইপি বসাইলেন, জুনিপার বা সিসকোতে আমরা সাধারণত কোন কনফিগারেশন গুলো অ্যাড হচ্ছে, যেমন ইকো কম্পেয়ার, জুনিপারে আমরা দেখি ইকো পাইপ কম্পেয়ার, এখানে কি কনফিগারেশন কোডগুলো অ্যাড হচ্ছে, এরকম কোন কমান্ড আছে যেটা দিয়ে আমার দেখা যায়?
Yes, yes, yes. I will show you. Just wait a couple of minutes. Okay. Okay. I can access Palo Alto Firewall 1.1. So minimize the CMD. Go to browser. You can use any browser. I use your Microsoft Edge. One 192.168.1.1. In management interface, default HTTPS is enabled. If you send through the HTTP, that will not respond. Okay, that's why you have to press here https://192.168.1.1. Check here countries because this is HTTP. So first HTTPS, you have to send request through the HTTPS. Then click the advanced version. Maybe network is slow. Thank you. So after first login, don't show again. This is the first page. Select this one and then close. There is multiple options. This first one is the dashboard. Dashboard is the landing page when you log in, and dashboard have some general information like management IP information and host name, model, serial number, CPU, others information like this. So I want to go the network portion first. See here the interface. Interface is Ethernet 1x1 to Ethernet 1x24. There are you seeing management interface here? Management interface is here or not? Not, right? This is the physical interface, not the management interface. Okay. So in device section, you will get the setup portion. select the setup and see the interface tab. This is the management interface. Okay. And service enable in management interface is ping, HTTPS, and SSH. HTTP is not allowed here. You can edit the management interface. See network connectivity services. You can select HTTP. You can select HTTP. You can select Telnet. Okay. So you can set here the management interface gateway if you need, or IPv6 information. If I set here management interface gateway like this one, 192.168.254, just for check. Okay. So management interface gateway address is added. This address is added. This is the modification. This is the configuration modification. Okay. So see here, device right side, the tab is commit and another tab is config. So if I press the OK button, see here, this one is active and this one is also active. So you just change something, you have to save the configuration. Okay, you can set here, you can just click here commit. You can click here commit. If you press the commit, see here, preview changes, change summary, validate commit. Validate commit is equal to commit check. You just want to press some configuration. Before commit, you want to check your configuration is okay or not. In Juniper, I say this portion, I say this term is commit check. Commit check means check the configuration syntax before commit. But configuration will not be committed. Okay, so validate commit. You are just checking your configuration is okay or not. If your configuration is okay, you will get configuration is valid. Configuration is valid. You can commit this configuration. Number one. Number two, change summary. Which configuration is changes? Which section configuration is changes? Object name system and operation edit. Who changes this configuration? Admin. Will be committed? Yes. Previous owners? Admin. So you will get the summary record. Who will doing the configuration? And what is the configuration? Your question was, what is the configuration? And set the preview changes and the OK button. Wait for some time. See here, disable HTTP, yes. See here, listen. Listen is yellow color is modified. Yellow color is modified. Red color is deleted. This is the deleted portion. And added portion is green. See here, green. Gateway portion is green. That means this configuration line is added. See here, yellow button. HTTP configuration is already there. Already there. You just change yes to no. This called configuration modification. This called configuration modification. So this is the YOLO. YOLO means configuration modification. This one is configuration modification and this configuration is added, newly added. Got your question answer?
Yes, this is equivalent to show pipe compare, right?
Exactly. See here, running configuration. And this is the candidate configuration. If I commit now, that will be the running configuration. In Juniper, this running configuration is equal to the active configuration. And candidate configuration, Palo Alto say the candidate configuration, Juniper also say this one, candidate configuration. Which one yet not committed. That is called the candidate configuration. Okay, so this is the fantastic. Okay, just the close. After everything check, you can press the commit. You can set here description. You can set here description. Before commit, you can also check save changes, revert changes. These two options. If you click the save changes, see here, save preview changes, change summary. Same output. Preview changes, you will get the same output. Which one you will get in commit portion? Same one, right? Same one. Okay. This is the two option. First one is save all the configuration. If your router is rebooted, you yet not commit, just press the save config, but not press the commit. Your router, your firewall is rebooted. Your configuration will goes. Okay. Commit is the final step. You have to commit to save the configuration in final state. Okay. So cancel, then I press the commit, then commit. Configuration committed successfully. If anything wrong, you will get the error message. Okay. Then close. You can change some other configuration in management interface. See here, there is no host name, domain name, login banner. You can set this one. How to set? Just setting option, you will get the edit option. So you can set here the name, PA, FW1, domain, PCNSA dot local, just for lab. Okay. Login banner, welcome. Welcome to login Palo Alto firewall, and user and pass is equal admin. This is the very good message for login banner, right? Yes or not? Good message. This is a bad message, right? Exactly.
Bad message.
Exactly, bad message. Okay. Or you can set your login banner. This login banner basically we set to send some message before login. We want to log in the devices. Okay, time zone, you can set the time zone based on your location, Asia. Then that should be Dhaka. Local EN, that is okay. Date time. Then okay. Your configuration already changes configuration. You can see here services, and if you set any DNS server setting, primary DNS server, secondary DNS server, proxy server. If you want to set the NTP server address, you can set here. Okay, just type place here DNS 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS is 1.1.1.1, or you can set any DNS server IP. You can choose public or private. NTP, set here NTP 192.168. 1.100. NTP server address, this is the primary address, and this is the secondary address. 192.168.1.200. This is the dummy, just for checking. Okay, then okay. So your changes something. So see here, commit, and you can also see the syntax. Okay, you can also see the syntax. Modified YOLO. This one is green. That is completely added. This is completely added configuration. NTP server configuration and DNS server configuration. This is newly added configuration. Okay, then press this one and see here PAVM. After commit, I will get our hosting, our configured hosting. Configuration committed successfully, then close, then refresh the page. This changes, right? PA dash firewall 1. Final step, I change the administrative password. After that, today's session has completed. And okay, now go to administrator section. Then see here, one user is only one user created. User is admin. Click the admin one, and you can set here old password. Old password is admin. You can see also admin. A new password for lab. I use here lab password is Palo Alto @123 hash. PA @123 hash. See here PA @123 hash. Copy and paste on. So, password modified. Then commit the configuration. Configuration committed. And then log out. Then log in again. See your message. Admin password is PA @123 hash. Then log in. Device setup. Okay. 2023 March. So that's all for today. If you have any question, ask me. Any question? Okay. Session has finished. Thank you very much for joining this class.